So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating some areas with wood accessories. Come on with me, guys. Now here I am at my entryway. Now I do have a lot of DIYs that I'm going to be using here to decorate, and most of them are already there. We're just going to be working with this vignette using this wood tray that I thrifted at the Goodwill. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling with Wood Accents. Now this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I also have a guest host today, and that is At Home with Lisa. So who else is hosting with us? We have Barbie Daily, Rural Life in the Valley. We have Donna, Decor and More, Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Jean, Home Decor and More, Dream with Carolyn. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Make sure and run the playlist, guys, and click that like button. Leave a beautiful comment, guys, because we absolutely love that, and let's encourage one another. So now here we are on my coffee table, and I decided to use this beautiful tray. Guys, I am loving this tray, and this was a thrifted item, guys, so this was an amazing deal. So let me go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate this one and one other one for you. Now this vase here had so much fun making. So those little wood pieces that I put around that vase on the bottom did come from the Dollar Tree. Actually, everything came from the Dollar Tree, especially those bamboo apples. I absolutely love those. So pretty much everything has a touch of wood in it, and I am absolutely loving the sunflowers. Now, one thing I have to say is I really do enjoy the warmth of wood. So I do love decorating with it, and look at these wood etched pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love them. Don't sleep on their decor, guys, because some of their stuff is really nice. Now here we are at the reveal, and I think all three settings came out absolutely beautiful. So I do want to take a moment and thank the guest hosts at Home with Lisa, and also all of the participants that helped me to host this collaboration, and also the ones that supported us by watching. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.